didn't get moved or whatever. I'm about to tape the borders right here so that I don't get paint on them and stuff like that. So I'm about to get to doing that because I think I'm gonna have to paint sections at a time. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna record every single thing that I'm doing today, but we'll see how I feel, because earlier I did not feel too good. Like, the baby was gonna make me vomit and everything. So let's get it. Peyton is so excited. She is super duper excited.
Yeah, I'm excited. I feel like
Where are you going?
I feel like it's gonna pop.
It's not gonna pop.
Doesn't sound like it pops.
It's not going to pop.
I can barely see the pinks.
You have to wait a second.
I know how to do it. You just have to dip it in and roll.
What? No.
I know it. Oh yeah, you're supposed to dip the paint and you put the paint in there and then roll the roller on it.
That's a good guess.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It looks so pink-delicious.
Anyway, this is day 2 of, well, not even really day 2, because yesterday was like a half a day or whatever. So hold on. So this is the paint so far. Gotta fix some things or whatever. I think I'm gonna paint this. I think I'm gonna paint the whole room, actually. I'm gonna paint this entire wall today. This whole section today. Or whatever. Because like I said, there's still a lot of stuff going on, but there's some of Peyton's furniture. I'm gonna paint this whole entire room or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna do that. I don't think it should take that long. Might take about 30 minutes to an hour maybe. I had started taping everything last night, but I didn't finish. But yeah, we're gonna see. All right, y'all, so we're making some progress, okay? We're making some progress. I told y'all I was gonna get this done because I don't play. But this pink is still kind of bothering me. Let me see if I turn on the blind, turn on the blinds, open the blinds, and see if it's gonna make a difference. Ooh, these blinds gotta go. I think it's gonna look cute. It's growing on me a bit, but I don't know. Now I gotta make the design right here. So I gotta prep that and make sure everything's good. I think I might do that later. I'm gonna leave it a couple hours so that I can let this paint dry. Maybe later I might prep it and see how it is. We're looking at this. It don't look like I need to give like a second coat or anything to the paint, but I don't know, because I see some blotches over here that needs to be fixed or whatnot. I might just fix that today. And yeah, the room is getting there. This is what the design gonna look like. Pink, white, pink, white, pink. And the stripes is gonna be gold. The green thing's gonna be gold. But here is what it's looking like. I have to clean up some drips right here because I accidentally dropped some paint on there. I'm pretty much finished. I just gotta clean up, like, I don't know if you can see like some of this stuff with the white. Gotta clean it up, but I'm waiting for my paint to dry, my brush to dry. I just washed it. Gotta clean those up some or whatever. It's coming together. It's coming along. It's coming along. I'm tired, y'all. When I tell you I'm tired, I am tired. Patrick trying to play me, y'all. I told him I did not need a tape for my lining, so we shall see. don't need to. I mean, I gotta fix some stuff, but I just don't want to wait another day to have to do this again, another painting. Like I want to be done with this room today. Like today, okay? Today. To finish that, there's some imperfections because, like I said, I didn't want to put tape down again. This needs to be done like right now, but I could always go back and clean this up later on, and the corners need to be finished and stuff or whatever, but their room is together. I'm glad that this is over. Seriously. Hi, bye-bye.